Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Tech Guy here. Okay, so let's continue the Python series. So we know already we have discussed about the basic Pythons, all the topics we have covered there on our earlier videos. So now we'll be making from the today onwards, we'll be having the different session on the advanced Python classes. We'll be having it. Okay, so here what we'll be doing in today's class, we'll be just discussing whatever the advanced Python concepts, whatever topics we will be covering. So that I just want to just in today's session we will not be writing any kind of codes. I'll just explaining you what are all the topics we'll be covering in the advanced Python. It's very useful concept in our Pythons for as a Python developer, as a Python beginner also. It's very useful concept. So I just request to all of you guys, if you want, you can note down all the topics which we are going to cover in this, this series. And if you have anything extra from your side, you can just comment it in our comment section on YouTube channel. So we will cover that topic also. Okay, so in this you can see here like advanced Python here concept we'll be having. So advanced Python concepts is comes under the OOPS concept. We already know Python it's a multi-level language. Like in the sense we have till now we just seen the Python is a functional language. Then Python is a object-oriented programming language. Python is a procedure programming language. Python is like we can say it's an all-rounder. Python support to almost all the different concepts. Okay, so we'll be in this advanced, we'll be just covering the what are objects in Python. Like we know objects in our real-time word entity, everything is an object. Everything is an object. If you just see, human also is object, pen is object, book is object, system is object, and anything is object. Car, table, anything is object in our real time. And what are classes in Python? So classes is nothing but a like will be like, as you know, like our system. For example, we are using a laptop, we are using a desktop, we are using pen, pencil, anything we are using in our system, like AC, washing machine, fridge we are using. So all are built. So and that means are built in. So whatever the physical entity we can see, that are objects. But how they have developed? They have developed with the help of one like designs. They're having some blueprint. They're having some template like this only. So in the classes is nothing but it's like one kind of blueprints they are having, and with that help of the design or blueprint, they will develop some the requirement, user requirements. Like example, like anything they'll make it like car, TV, washing machine, fridge. They'll make it. That is called objects. So objects and class is very important in OOPS concept. And then we have the reference variables. If even the reference variables, so once like we know we have the classes, that means once the design is ready, we can create an object, right? Once the object is created, if I just want to, I will store that object reference into the one variable that is called reference variable. Okay. So in this, what we will do here, with the help of the reference variable, it is very useful to access the some of the members, some of the functionality, whatever the functionality we have in the class, that is with the help of reference variable we can access. Then another one we have what are self variables in Python. Self variables also is a very important role in Python. Self variables are a variable that is always pointing to the current object in a programs. Okay, and then we have the types of variables in Python. We have different variables in Python, like we have the instance variables in Python, then we have class level variables in Python, then we have static variables in Python, then we have local variables in Python. Then the next topic will be having, okay, then we'll be having the types of methods in Python. So what are the methods we'll be going to cover in Python? So we'll be having like instance methods in Python, then we have static methods, then we have class level methods. So we'll be having different types of methods. It's very easy concept in Python. And then next we have that what is in a class in Python. So what are the in classes, how we will be using, how we will write in the codes for the in the classes. It's very useful concept in Python. The next one is very interesting and lovely concept. I just love this concept. What is garbage collection in Python? Garbage collection, it's a very useful and even it's very good. For example, we have created like two objects. For first object, second object. The first object is no longer required, but the new object is we just need it. The second one we need it. So first object is not useful. Then what we will do, with the help of garbage collector, we have that. Okay, with the help of garbage collector, that is no longer required. That will be deleted from the help of garbage collector. The next one we have here polymorphisms. Okay, so polymorphism, that means we'll be having different examples here. Operator overloading, like for some examples will be taking in Python. So polymorphism is nothing but poly is nothing but a that's many forms that will be taking the examples. Then you'll understand better. We'll go in deep for every topics. We'll be covering multiple examples, so you guys will be having no doubt at all. We will be having very good experience about that, good exposure on this every topic in advanced Python, as we have discussed in our basics Pythons also. And now we have another topics we'll be discussing on method overloading and method overriding, even though it's very very useful and even though it's very interesting concept in Python. And next one we'll be having the types of inheritance in Python, even though it's very also important concept. Even though it's very easy concept, like single level inheritance will be having, then multiple level inheritance will be having, then we having multi-level and hybrid, then a cyclic inheritance will be having. Cyclic it's not useful, but we will tell you how it will, like how it will not support to the cyclic. And then what we have, what is super method in Python, even though it's very useful in super method. Sometimes we need to call local methods. Sometimes we need to call some methods, locally methods to the outside of the class. That time we'll use with the help of super method, we can call them. The next one will be having the file handling in Python, how to handle the files. In, for example, our data is stored in the one file. We need to read the data from the file. We need to write the data into file. We need to execute the files. So all those topics we'll be covering. And then next topic we'll be having like multi-threading in Python. What are the multi-threading in Python? It's very useful concept. And what are the generators in Python? Okay, it's very useful in generators. We'll be taking a number of examples for this one. Then we have decorators in Python. What are decorators? Okay. Then what are iterators in Python? So we'll be having. Then we have the abstraction. It's very useful concept in abstractions we have. Then we have here encapsulations in the Python. So almost we have like 19 or 20 topics we'll be having this advanced Python concepts. So I just request you, if you just want it, you can note down from your end, and anything is missing from our end, you just let it as in comment section. We will completing each topic from our end. Even though anything extra from you guys, you just tell us. We'll be covering all the topics in our classes. Okay, so it, I just request you guys, please just note down all the concepts, and please practice it on daily basis. As soon as you will get the new videos from our channel side on YouTube, just practice at your end. So you will be in, because the next topic will be like, for example, today we have just discussed about like object class and reference variable. The next day we'll be having another topic. So if you know that, like previously what we have done, what we have studied, then only you'll understand better. Like, okay, so basics, you know, that means you can go to the next level like this only. So it's very interesting concept. Advanced Python, it's a very easy and easily you can understand. It's not so much stuff and all. So I just request to all of you, please go through each and every video. This much only in this session. Thanks for watching. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a good day. Bye bye.